Hello ladies and gentlemen, RC Bash Boy here. Welcome. So first I would like to say, I'm very happy that this RC dilemma came to an end. So I finally made up my mind. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. So what I picked up is a Tenacity DB PRO by Losi. And as you can see, I barely got it today. So we're going to go ahead and see what's in the box. And also, we will also check out, the outside of the box, see what it says, and we'll go from there. Alright, so I went ahead and I picked up the Team Lucas Oil's, platform. I know they also do a Fox Racing platform, but I went ahead with the Lucas Oil's. To me, that's the one I prefer. So on the box, obviously, it says Tenacity DB PRO. Cutting edge technology, the Spectrum Smart ESC, DX2E, Active, and AVC. Okay, it's a proven platform based on the 10 SCTE platform, 4-wheel drive, and a 2-year warranty. And this bad boy is ready to run. Battery and charger required though, which I do have, so we're good to go. Okay, so next up it says design, build, and backed. Yada yada yada, the Spectrum dashboard, ready to run radios, blah blah blah, smart technology, and then you got the smart charger and the smart batteries. Unfortunately, I will just run my stock batteries. I will not, do this smart technology stuff. To me, it's a bit too fancy. Even though I do have the DX6R, which I will bind to this. Buying the smart battery and stuff like that, yeah, I don't really need it. So anyway, so there you go, Tenacity DB PRO. As you can see, there's the Lucas Oils and the Team Fox, and then race inspired, all that good stuff. So, and I'm very happy, that this vehicle comes with the DX2E, not the STX2, which I'm very, happy. This thing has a LED bar. So other than that, let's get this bad boy open. All right then, let's go ahead and cut this right here. There we go. All right. Over here, and I'm going to show you what's in the box. So in the box, we got the manual. This really comes in handy. They do provide with the 4 AA batteries, which is pretty cool for the receiver, and the vehicle itself. Look at that. Oh yeah. Let's go ahead and I'm sure here it's the receiver and all the other good stuff in that box, but this is what I really want, so let's get it out of there. Okay, so minor mistake, and as you can see, I'm here at the RC Basher Boy Arena. This actually came to my local hobby shop, and I recently picked it up, and I just decided to do the unboxing here. Why? Because, well, it doesn't get any better than this. But the only thing I forgot is to bring scissors. Okay. This vehicle is tied down with zip ties, and which I didn't really, figure that one out, when I came here. But anyway, so I'm going to show you still, brief description of the vehicle. As you can see, smart technology. To my knowledge, this motor is a 3250 kV motor. And also another thing, I will be comparing this to the Losi 10 SCBE, which is, of course, this is a Tenacity DB PRO, and I do have the Losi 10 SCBE, which is the same thing, the same platform. The only difference is that the Losi 10 is much older than this vehicle. This vehicle, of course, they just released it. So, and of course, the Tenacity platform. Of course, you know, the truggy, not the truggy, the monster truck, the other desert truck, the SCTE, the short course, and what have you. But yeah, so as you can see, you have the smart plug. What I did here is I did a IC5, you know, with Dean's, and like I said, you know, for me, going smart, I mean, it's not for me. But all right, as you can see, you know, we're ready to go. So this vehicle is also a 2S or 3S capable vehicle. I know in the bag, in the owner's manual, you actually have a spacer, so you can actually move this up, you know, so you can fit a 3S battery on there. And also it should come, you know, with the provided pinion to run a 3S. Now I'm very curious to see if it's really necessary, you know, to change out the pinion and run the 3S. On my previous Losi 10 SCBE, also they also asked the same thing, you know, to change the pinion, you know, to a smaller pinion so you can run a 3S, you know, for heat issues, you know, so you won't heat up the ESC or the motor. My vehicle ran fine, but I mean, that's just my discretion, you know, that's just my way to run things. I mean, I'm not actually telling you guys, you know, to go and just don't change out the pinion. Of course, engineers, you know, they don't really mess up, you know, they tell you that for a reason. But me, just being a knucklehead, we're gonna go ahead and test out, you know, that pinion that's on there on 3S. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, you know, I can't remove the cardboard box because I forgot the scissors at home, which I should have just rather do the unboxing there, you know. But I don't know, somehow here I can listen to my own thoughts, you know, I can actually hear myself speak, you know. It's very peaceful here. So, but once again, you know, I just did this really quick, briefly. Yeah, you know, so my first impressions is it looks just like the Losi 10 SCBE. And those of you guys that are not familiar with that vehicle, you will see it side by side in a later video. But you know, really, I'm really digging that LED light bar, and I know this sucker's really gonna scream. So I'm very excited, you know, to run this, give this a run, and actually, by the end of all that, I will give you guys my 2 cents on the vehicle, you know, my overall opinion of this. And you know, hopefully you guys, you know, enjoy this journey. So other than that, stay tuned for my next video. Please like, share, and subscribe. RC Bash Boy here. Thanks for watching.